Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be learning about printing strings. There are two ways of printing strings. So strings are basically printing anything you want inside the double quotes in the program. So let's see how we do that. So the first way is simpler. So we just type print, the back is the double quotes. So only inside the double quotes you can type anything you want, but the other program should be right, and you should also close the program at the end, basically putting another double quotes and a bracket. Okay, let's see how it's done. So let's imagine putting don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Now we have to close it. So this is a way of printing it. Now let's go to the second way. So the second way is also simple but just takes a little more programs. So the second way is basically giving a variable. The variable has a hidden name or whatever text you want in it. So let's imagine my variable is named myString. So give it an equals and then put the package, double quotes, and then put whatever you want inside it. So let's keep dear subscribers. Okay, now don't forget to close it. Now print the variable, because the variable already has a string. So since myString is a variable, you don't need to put double quotes because it already has a string inside it. So now in the print, in the idle shell, it'll come don't forget to subscribe, like and share, dear subscribers. So this will come in the first line, this one, and this will come in the second line. So let's see how it's done. But first, we should never forget to save the program. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, dear subscribers. So how was this programming? So like it's told, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye. See you later, alligators.